In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Payworks account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link payworks.ca. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Payworks. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to log into Payworks. You'll be able to log in with customer ID over here. If you want to log in with customer ID, enter the customer ID, username and password and click on this option login. If you want to log in with an email address, click on this option login with an email address. Now after you do that, you'll be able to log in with email address. Simply enter your email address over here. Likewise, what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option forget your password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Payworks account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.